So here we are on this parkhome site in Yorkshire, and just finished completing our privacy film, so the customer can see out but we can't see in. Just completed this one here, done the whole home, and it's great when you just finish the install and you look around, and from where I'm standing now you can see so many homes that we've done over the last few years on this site. So looking around, we've done that one there, there's one just behind it, then we've done that one and that one, and there's 3 or 4 homes behind that we've done. Obviously this one that we've just finished completing, that one at the front of our van, that one, and that one. And on the other side of the site over there's lots more homes, and we just have to do a couple more on that side, so all good. And this is the 2 windows we've done this afternoon.